Hey, welcome back to CookingaRounds channel. Welcome. Again, a super awesome recipe I have for you. Again, what is it? It's a Tuscany Italian salad. Super delicious, and you're going to enjoy it because it's under 300 calories. And this is where it all started, if you can remember. And surprise, surprise, I have a new YouTube studio. So soon I'm going to start other videos from there. So let's get going.
Again, back to my kitchen. Welcome back to Cooking Your Rounds kitchen. What are we doing today? Today we're going to make a little bit of Italian. We're going to make a Tuscany salad, which is very easy. Quite a bit of Italian. What do I have in there? I'm using country style bread. And this is a rye bread, so it's almost like the whole wheat. So you can Google it and you can check on that. And fresh tomatoes, onions, lime, capers, olives, and of course a delicious Portuguese olive oil. This is so fast that I can just turn around and it's done. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get going with this awesome recipe, and you know it's going to be perfect for those calories because this is a low calorie recipe. And if you want to see how I got started, please check right about here. And I wrote a little article on how I lost the weight. So here we go. Okay, we're back. Grab yourself a big, large bowl and grab yourself one of these fancy dancy dollar store wooden spoons. And I took 3 slices of rye farmer's bread, really thick. And you can grill them or you can toast them. And I want you to cut them in cubes just like this, right? And I have about 3 slices there. So what I want you to do is just drop that in like this. I have half a peeled cucumber here. Now you don't have to peel them if you want. My girlfriend likes them peeled like this. And I cut them into large sections like this. And I just take that and drop that inside. And I have 2 vine tomatoes, sugary, sweet, and delicious. And I did was just quarter them. So now that goes in. And half of a red onion. Now you can basically use any type of onion. If you don't want to use this onion, use a green onion. I like this one. And now that goes in. And here comes some more goodies. I have about half a cup of green olives here. Now if you don't want the green olives, because it might be a little on the bitter side, I would recommend you put the black ones in. But I like the little bitterness. And what do I have here? About a quarter cup of capers. Yes, capers gives a real nice taste. And all you do is just drop that inside. And now, are we finished? No, we're not. I want you to grab about a quarter cup of parsley. And I just want you to rip up the leaves like this, but I don't want you to cut them. And I just want you to drop that inside like that. And now, some fresh ground pepper. I said about 1/3 of a teaspoon. And about half a teaspoon of sugar. Yes, sugar. A little bit of sugar is not going to hurt you in your diet. And about 1.5 teaspoons of white vinegar or red vinegar, whichever you prefer. Are we finished? No, we're not. I want you to take half of a lime and I want you to squeeze that all the juice in there. Now look how fresh this salad is starting to look. Just take a look at that. All natural and fresh. This is what's really good for you. We take just a little bit of salt. Now remember, this is a low calorie. This is a diet recipe, so I would just put about 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt, no more. And now the real magic comes. Olive oil from Portugal, extra virgin. It's absolutely awesome. What I want you to do is I want you to apply about 2 tablespoons, just like that. There you go. And now, I want you to take your handy dandy spoon and I just want you to mix that really good. Really well. I want you to turn that around just like that. Now, how is that starting to look? The bread is now absorbing all the juices of the veggies, the sweetness and the bitterness from the vinegar and the sugar and the olive oils. And it's going to be absolutely awesome. There we go. Just like that. Now, what I want you to do is cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Yes, why not? Okay, we're back, and here it is. And how does that look? Oh, look at that. Yummy, yummy. Tuscan salad. Okay, now, what I want you to do now is grab yourself a handy dandy plate. And what I want you to do first is I want you to grab some of the bread and place the bread first on the plate, just like that. Now, you don't have to be fancy. You don't have to do everything perfect. There you go. Just how is that supposed to look? Now, grab some of those delicious vegetables and just start piling on top like that. And there we have it. Are we finished? No, we're not. I want you to grab some more of this fresh parsley. I want you to choose the best leaves that you can. And I just want you to add more. There you go. Italian Tuscany salad. Perfect, awesome, and delicious. If you want a little bit more rich, I would add a little bit more olive oil. So now all I can say is thank you very much for allowing me to present this to you. Thank you very much for allowing me into your homes. I hope this hits the spot, and I'll see you again on my next cooking recipe. Thank you from Tony and Cooking Around.